Hello everybody, today I would like to teach you how to create A3 paper. First, you have to open Autocad program, which version that you have. Next, you have to use command setup. After you use command setup, you see paper space. Okay, then you click on No. After you click on No, you have to enter unit type. So you have to click on matrix. In this place, you have to type scale factor. So I want 100 factor. So I put 100. And then I press enter. After I press enter, here I have to put paper white. In A3 paper white, you have to put 420 and then press enter. In place here, you have to put paper height. So I put 297. It is the official space of A3 paper. The one is 420 and the height is 297. That's all for my videos. Please subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you.